Hello everyone, this is Bablu God. Welcome back to new video. So today topic is Sawan. Sawan month, Lord of Shiva. So the month, the month of Shiva, holds significant importance in Hinduism, Hinduism, particular for the worship of Lord Shiva. Here and Shiva is very popular and very spacious and very spacious, oblivious and very oblivious God in India. Every Somar means Monday. Uh, every Monday, God Shiva worship. Uh, so and worship of Shiva, and here are some key aspects. So first is spiritual. First is the first one is spiritual significance. Sawan is the considered the holiest month of the Hindu calendar for devout followers of Lord Shiva, and it is believed that during this time the divine blessings of Shiva are most accessible. Uh, most acceptable. Uh, even everyone everyone says Shiva's is most powerful. Shiva's is most powerful God, God of all gods. Uh, like uh, like uh, like maybe I think Ram is Ram is indirectly uh, Ram is indirectly directly get up of Ram. So Shiva is Ram and Ram is Shiva, and like this type many gods there those gods uh, those gods most important importance. All gods are same, but Shiva is the most powerful and oblivious gods. I mean to say not powerful. I means powerful of all gods, but oblivious and worshipping God Shiva. And the second points second point nowadays. Today is 22 July 2024. 24 and Sawan is the first month. First Sawan is the the month of Sawan is Somar, Monday, first Monday. Uh, first Monday. So first Monday, Kavan Yatra. Devotees undertake pilgrimages known as the Kavan Yatra, clearing during Sawan. Kavan Yatra during Sawan, and they carry holy water from the Ganga rivers to offer to the Shiva temples, especially of the Jyotirlings. So the water of Ganga river is the most spacious water, and everyone knows uh, uh, every stuff like every worship of items is unspecious. So through water of water of Ganga river, we can make spacious through Ganga river. This is the power of Ganga river. This is the believeness of Ganga river water, and they comes and the Ganga river comes from the mountains. So every Sawan of last month of Sawan's last day of last day of Sawan, every Kavan yatris come from the Haridwar, first of all they go to the Haridwar as a Kanwariya, and they goes there and put on the water, Ganga water, and come from there to for home, for offering to the Shiva. Offer to the Shiva. The divine of blessings of Shiva are most accessible. And the third point is fasting and rituals. Many devotees observe fast on Monday. So during this month as Sawan's month, it is believed that fasting and performing rituals in this period can absolve one of sins and bring property bring sins and bring property, health, and happiness. They asked from the Shiva, and the fourth point is legends and mythology. According to Hindu mythology, the churning of the ocean, Samudra Manthan took place during the month of Sawan. During which Lord Shiva consumed the poison. Which Lord Shiva many years ago, the ocean took places during the month of Sawan, during which Lord Shiva consumed the poison to save the earning name of Nilkant. At that time, the earth The earth was in danger. The earth was in danger. Uh, anybody anybody was not saving the anybody was not saving the earth. Only one option of Shiva. So Shiva came from the mountain, came from the R came from the R place on the earth, and the earth and the most 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 dangerous poison, uh, poison. Shiva Shiva has drunk Shiva has drunk during this way, and during this way or like this, or during this way and or like this way, Shiva saved the earth. And the fifth point of culture practice. The month is marked by various culture practice and festivities festivities and temples are decorated, and special prayers and offerings are made to Lord Shiva. So overall the month of the Sawan is a time of deep religious devotion and observance for the Lord Shiva's and devotees invoicing various spiritual practices and ritual aimed at seeking his blessings. This is this is the topic of today, and this is the topic of today. Thank you for watching the video.